Hi, I'm Harris Waddles with Amba Products, and today I'm introducing you to our updated swivel collection. It has now been refined into two distinct models, the swivel loop and the swivel bar. Each design has been carefully crafted, giving you just the right balance of style and function. The swivel collection is offered in three finishes: polished stainless, brushed stainless, and matte black. Every unit comes as a plug-in appliance, with installation instructions included if you prefer to hardwire for a cleaner look. The signature feature is, of course, the swiveling bars. They each rotate 180 degrees independently, making them ideal for maximizing small spaces, like bathrooms or laundry rooms, where you may want to mount them behind a door. Get the benefit of a heated towel rack without giving up valuable wall space. With versatile finishes, flexible installation, and a design made for compact areas, the Swivel Collection combines functionality with style. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit us online at ambaproducts.com.